Hi there. Welcome to Paul Timberman's workshop. I'm Paul Timberman. Today we're going to be finishing up the shelves on that white pine Curio cabinet that we started last week. So, let's get at her. You know, white pine is just a wonderful woman of a wood, a real fine country lady. So you're going to want to be sure to take your time and be gentle. I like to reinforce the joints with these 3/4-inch wood screws. Now, I'm going to place a screw right on the tip of the drill like this here and position it on the side of the shelf like so. Now, when you're doing this, you want to keep the shelf real steady, because once that screw's in, it's in. Okay, I think you get the idea. Let's go over and make us a top shelf. But first, I'm going to put on my safety goggles. Now, I can't tell you how many letters I get from folks who've injured their eyes due to a nasty chip of wood or whatnot flying in there. Now, I got a 10-inch wide board, and I'm going to split it right down the middle. And here we go. All right, now you see why these goggles are so important, because you got to keep your eyes on the wood at all times. Can't be looking up here because... I'll tell you what. Let's cut to a commercial. All righty. Run the tape. Oh, mercy. Hi, I'm Paul Timberman of Paul Timberman's workshop. When I need a nail gun, I reach for a Nail-O-Matic. Nail-O-Matic's been in the nail gun business for over 40 years with a tradition of excellence and quality. They're fast, dependable, and always hit their mark. So remember, every nail's a bullseye. It's Nail-O-Matic.
Nail-O-Matic. Available at hardware stores everywhere. Ask for it by name.
For the purpose of time, I'm going to cheat a bit and show you the finished Curio. Now, this is just great for showing off little knickknacks or touching family memento. And I'm sure you'll agree, this is a perfect piece for the living room or a child's bedroom. And it's not only functional, but it's something beautiful to look at. And I'll tell you what, I don't feel so hot.
Fashion Country Cradle. Paul Timberman's workshop is brought to you by Skyzer Permanente. Skyzer Permanente, because accidents happen.